this tutorial, I'm going to show how to make this center, which I normally use for my sunflower. So let's go and do it. So for this tutorial, we will be needing two shorter ones and one that is like twice the size of these two shorter ones. So I used my silhouette to cut it this time, but of course you can always use Cricut or other cutting machines. For those who doesn't have a cutting machine, of course you can cut manually via like an X-Acto knife or a cutter or even scissors. So let's begin. So I'll set this aside for now. For this, by the way, I used 65 pounds cardstock. So what we're going to do is fold this. Oh, by the way, before everything else, so make sure that your cuts are really cut, because like for some it might still be attached and it won't have a nice effect. So just make sure that everything is like cut or has been cut. So we're gonna fold it like this, but do not like, we're just gonna bend it, do not like fold it. So you see, you will have that like fluffiness effect on your center, or sorry, not fluffiness but fluffy effect for your center. So we're just gonna fold it like this. Don't need to like fold it in the middle. You're gonna do the same for this other one, but I'm gonna speed up the video. Okay. So now that we've prepared that, we did that, so we're going to begin to like roll the centers. So I find it helpful for me to have like this thick. Probably it's like a fourth, or yeah, a fourth of an inch. But you can do it like something like this, but I just prefer to have like a guide. So. And then add glue as you go. Okay, so our first one. Now for the second piece, I find it helpful to like fold it like this, because as you can see, you have like a smaller diameter for the base now, and then like a larger fluff, if I want to call it like that. But it would just be helpful to like fold it like this. Now, let's attach it. I'm just gonna... Hi, so it's a fluffy center. So we're gonna set this aside for now. And I'm just gonna clean my area. So set it aside wherever. Yeah. We're gonna do this. So for this one, by the way, I did not use a cardstock. You're free to use a cardstock. I just used what do you call this one? Construction paper. So it's softer. Yep, I just used construction paper because I did not find the color like this in any cardstock that I have. So yep. So for this one, so we're gonna offset. So we're also gonna like bend it like this and then attach it like this. You're not supposed to fold it also, but we're just gonna offset it. Like probably this is like 1/2 inch. The more you go further, the more like wider your the curves are. But for this one, let's just go by like 1/2 inch. I'm just estimating. You can use a ruler. So I go like that. Okay. It might, I've also find it helpful to like fold it like this. Now, we're gonna attach it. So, you see how it like blooms? Fun, right? Okay, so let's do it. So again, attach as you go. Okay. Now our center's time.